If I had only known it was our last walk in the rain, I'll keep you out for us in the storm, and I would hold your hand like a lifeline to my heart, and underneath the thunder we'd be warm. The treasure in my heart, you were the one, the only one who always stood beside me anywhere. If I had only known it was the last walk in the rain. If I had only known I'd never hear your voice again, I memorize each thing you ever say. If I had only known it was my last night by your side, and on this lonely night I could think of them once more, keeping words alive inside my head. When you smile at me, I will look into your eyes, make sure you know my love goes on and on. If I'd only known it was our last walk in the so unaware, I foolishly believed you would always be there. But then there came a day when you closed